We're going to talk about spring water. In this video we can see a well with spring water produced for the consumption of the creatures that come from a spring. A spring is a place where groundwater flows out of the ground. A spring may flow the whole year or only sometimes. This depends on the water getting into the ground all of the time or only once in a while. Water from a spring often flows downhill, along the land. This is how rivers start. Water sources change depending on weather and climate conditions. Some springs produce water that is good for health reasons. Subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us.